How to open a Fidelity investment account. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can register for Fidelity investment account. In order to register for Fidelity investment account, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and then open up a web browser of your choice. You can also use the application. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. After you open up your web browser on the web address bar, type in www.fidelity.com. Now this is going to take you to the official web page of Fidelity Investment. How the interface is going to look like. Before you get started with the registration process, make sure to go through it all. In the left hand side bar, you'll be provided with two different options, that is, I know what I want and I need guidance. If you don't know anything about Fidelity Investment, then click on Start here for the guidance, and if you know basic idea about the Fidelity Investment, then click on Open an Account. As soon as you click on it, right in center there's a pop-up, so make sure to go through it all and then select the account type that you wish to open. You'll be asked whether you're already a customer or not. If yes, then click on the yes button. If no, click on the no button. So in order to open an account, you'll need to go to the statement, that is, here you have a guidance to go through it all and click on the next button once you've done that. Now to begin with, you'll need to provide in your details, that is your personal details. That includes entering your full name, social security number, date of birth, country citizenship, mobile number, and then the email address. After that, you need to move on with the step number 2, where you need to provide in your address. That includes where you actually reside on. And after that, you need to click on the next button. On the other page, you'll be asked to verify your contact information. For that, a verification or an OTP might be sent through an SMS or an email, and once you're done with that, next page, you need to create a login field. So basically, for a login field, you need to create a username and then a login detail. That includes entering username or user ID and then a password. As soon as you've done that, lastly, you'll be asked to review all of the details that you've provided and click on the submit button if you're sure about it. And lastly, you'll be provided with a statement stating that your request or the application has been successfully submitted. All you need to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. So it will usually take 24 to 48 hours for a response, so wait patiently until then and you'll be notified about the status. This is how you can open or register for Fidelity investment account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.